Hey team, this is Steve. I just want to show you as managers how to look into CarFilm and see how many videos and how to review videos that are being made. So when you go to CarFilmApp.com, you're going to log in and you're going to click on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner and go to Manager Dashboard. Some of you may see multiple stores, some of you may see your only store. So here's just a breakdown of stats. If you want to look at a date range, you click on date. And then change the date up here. So I'm going to look at just November 1st to November 19th. Make sure the date is highlighted. So this store, Mazda City of Orange Parks, made I've sent 10 videos out. 8 of them have been created. They've had 39 views and 7 videos had underlays. Total of 36 minutes, 5 seconds watched, and how many people clicked on the underlay and how long they lasted. And here's the videos that were created. So if you want to see individual users, I'll just look at Tom Bush BMW Jacksonville, for example, click on users and select a user. Once again, I want to look at November only, so I'm going to select the date, click on the 1st of November and select date. And this shows me Matt has created 4 videos. He's had 6 views, 2 people or 2 visits on the underlays, which is the website under the video. 3 minutes of watch time and 5 seconds was spent on the underlay. And here's the videos. If you just want to see the video, you just click in the box there and you can play the video. And if you see opportunities, you can critique the user or get them attaboys, whatever it may be. Hope this helps. Keep in mind, anybody signed up to use CarFilmApp has agreed to create 10 videos a month. So when you want to go back to the CarFilm report, just want to make sure this number is 10 for that entire month. 10 videos created. Hope this helps. Have any questions, let me know. Thank you.